How to clear apps on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and tap on any app. Then, go back to the home screen and swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Once you're here, you can see the recent app you just visited. Swipe up here to close its preview card. Swipe left or right to browse through all the apps that are currently running in the background. If you want to clear these apps, then keep swiping up on the applications. As you can see, you have now successfully cleared all the applications from your phone. Closing apps can sometimes help resolve issues if an app is not responding, and it can also help to conserve battery life. Following these steps, you can easily clear apps on any iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.